Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you fix LinkedIn jobs not showing. So in order to fix a LinkedIn job not showing, you should first check your data privacy settings and broaden your search filter or broaden your search filter as well. First thing, you want to make sure to launch open a LinkedIn app, then tap onto the profile at the very top right corner of the screen, and from the menu in the left hand side corner, select settings at the bottom. Now here, you just want to make sure to go to data privacy. And as you go to this section, you want to make sure to select personalizing your job experiences under how LinkedIn use your data section. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and select that option. You will be able to find job seeking, and this is where you will make sure to have to turn it on. And you can also adjust and broaden your search filter. If searching in a small town, you would try for a large nearby city or select remote to see more listing as well. So likewise, the next thing what you also want to do is you could also give it a try, but just go to settings on your device, and then you want to go to this app section, locate LinkedIn. There you have storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and then close all the background running app, and then hold on to your side button and restart the device. That should also definitely help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.